Welcome back, guys. So we've done a little junk picking today. Well, actually it was yesterday. I let this sit overnight and soak in some soap, and we cleaned the bottom of the vacuum cleaner. It works pretty darn good, but we cleaned it all out and got the filter and the canister and everything drying for the moment up on the trailer, which the trailer will be another video for a project. But we have the tank. It's a 10-gallon tank. It had a bunch of stuff in it. The little plastic tank there, and then the little wooden pieces, and then the canister and the filter there for the vacuum cleaner. So there's probably about, I don't know, $10 to $20 sitting there in tanks. The vacuum cleaner new is about 80 bucks. On OfferUp they have 50, so we'll probably do like 40 to 50 bucks for it. If not, it'll be a good backup for the house, which having kids would be awesome. 42-inch sharp flat screen LED. The backlights don't work, but I do get picture, so the logic board is good. There's another board, I think the driver, the LED driver, I think is wrong or bad with it. So I've already taken it apart, and I tried to bake the logic board or the motherboard in the oven for about 10 minutes at 325 degrees, I think it was. It didn't seem to work. I was hoping that maybe it was dirty. It's a 6-year-old television, 5 or 6-year-old TV, so that's something we're going to keep. This was found in the same pile over at some apartments on my way back from taking my daughter to school. So speaking of which, I got to go. Like and subscribe down below. Finding junk, putting it on OfferUp, fixing it, cleaning it, making it better, recycling one piece at a time, putting some money in my pocket. I almost forgot what to say there. So thanks for watching, guys. See you again on the next project. We will do a video on the trailer because we got some repairs that we have to do. I want to show you real quick. We got some damage. It's got some issues, but inside it's pretty cool. Guess what? Ta-da! Yes, stay tuned for part 3, and I'll see you guys. Oh, and we're probably gonna have to do a door. So anyway, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.